Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to reverse a video on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the CapCut application. Okay, hold on, and this is the looks when you already open the CapCut application. If you have no video yet, you just need to go click new project and choose the video that you want to go reverse to. But here I already have one, so I want to use my previous project. Let's check this video first. You can see here the video is going forward, it's just normal video, and let's make this video going backward or reverse. So to make this video going reverse, is just go by click the clip until it is in active mode. It will be like sign in a blue frame on the video, and after that you just need to scroll into the left side, the features on the downside here, until you found a reverse tools. So the reverse tool will be like this with this icon, and after that you just need to click it and wait until this features is 100% applied into your clip. Hold on, okay, and it's already 100% applied. So now let's take a look on the result. Okay, you can see here now this video is going backward or being reversed. That's all the way how to reverse the video on a CapCut application. So if you find out this tutorial today got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.